Go!
So today we're going to do our top 5 things that we learned while traveling in an RV.
Top 5 for me, top 5 for Jimmy.
Yeah, we both have different, so we went our separate ways and we did our own thing.
So I'm going to do the first one.
Let's go rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
You gotta have rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What's wrong with you? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hold on. I gotta get it off my phone.
Come on, man.
All right, this is in no particular order?
Nope.
No particular order. So we'll start with this one. All Trails is a great app to find hiking and biking around wherever you are. We use that a lot. We paid the whatever $30 or whatever it was for it to upgrade it, and it was one of the best apps we used. We still use it to this day.
My app was RV Trip Wizard. So that's a trip planning app that it's like $49 a year. And it will plan out your entire trip. You can lock in your dates you're going to be at when you make the reservation. You can put the confirmation number.
Yep.
You can share it with family. Okay.
Number 2 for me, Rain-X and Wax will keep bugs from sticking in the front of your bus. Bus, trailer, anything. There's a lot of bugs out there.
Yeah.
And those bugs really like unliving themselves in front of your whatever you're driving.
Especially love bugs are the worst.
Love bugs. Oh my gosh. Oregon, we hit grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers. Oh my God.
They were everywhere. So that's a good tip. And they kind of wash right off without any problems after that.
Okay, I'm going to do something a little different. Join associations. So FMCA, which is Family Motor Coach Association, Good Sam's, your coach association, which is ours, is American Coach Association. They have great rallies, great information, great training. Love FMCA. I always screw that up, but they're a great organization. And we haven't been to a rally yet for any of them. We're going to American Coach in April, but I want to go to the FMCA too.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
This is a really, really good one that you need to understand. Internet sucks everywhere. Once you leave your house and that wonderful internet that you have there, I will assure you that you will have horrible internet from then on.
Yep.
I think SpaceX, whatever that one is. Starlink is probably your best bet, and we're going to switch to that this winter.
Yeah.
But it's horrible everywhere. Every campground, don't rely on campground internet. It's the worst.
Yep, agreed.
And we have a fob that we use now, and it's terrible.
Yeah.
It's terrible everywhere.
Pre-plan and make reservation for popular resort campgrounds as they sell up fast. Yeah. Really important, i.e. like Glacier, Yellowstone. Even if you're not sure you're going to go, you can always cancel. It's like a $10 cancellation fee. But go to our YouTube and also Facebook page, and you will see the campgrounds that we love.
Well, okay, this is a good one, and this is one that you need to understand. Buy the best sewer hose you can possibly buy.
Yeah, well, I don't deal with that, so I'll move on. Okay, I got another really good one. Most national parks have timed entry to get into the parks. So what that means is Rocky Mountain National Park, you have to go in a month before to get a timed entry, and they sell out quick. So does Glacier. So there's certain Yellowstone does not have the timed entry. Glacier does, Arches does. So if you're planning on going to any national park, go to nps.gov and find out what's the who has timed entry and what the times are to go in. Rocky Mountain is 30 days out. You sit there at 10 o'clock in the morning, Mountain Time, 30 days out, and you may not get it. Okay?
You can tell which one the planner is, me. Okay, this is a very important one. Dirt grass campgrounds are some of the best campgrounds we went to. We have stated this one we're at right now has a beautiful casita with an outdoor kitchen and everything else, but the dirt roads and the grass sites sometimes are the best. You meet the best people there. Everybody's on vacation. Everybody's kind of doing their own thing, but in the morning and at night, you all get out and kind of talk to each other. It's fantastic. I can't complain about that at all. And I really thought,
people?
It's
you like the people, not the grass and the
I don't know, the grass and the dirt doesn't really bother me that much, other than the fact that it gets the bus dirty. But the people there just seem to be spectacular. The higher you go up in campground, the less you're going to converse with people around you. I'm just letting you know.
Okay, my final one is TSD Open Roads. It's another app, and this is for fueling, RV fueling discounts. It is for truck stops only. and it is awesome. You can get a huge discount. You got to sign up, and it takes about 30 days for them to get you everything, but do it because it's important. Now, this is only for diesel engines.
Yeah.
So even diesel pickups with the fifth wheel.
You saw a lot of them in there.
Yeah, so make sure to do this because you'll get a huge discount. FMCA also has their own card too that has a great discount. We haven't really investigated that, but we love TSD Open Roads. This video is going to be what we learned about
campgrounds. Yeah.
And traveling. Like, where do you get your hair cut? Where do you get your nails done, ladies? Not you. Maybe.
Okay, that's all we have.
Thank you. Subscribe.
Subscribe, like, and comment.